Have you ever wondered how your data is stored or accessed online? That's where cloud computing comes in. Cloud computing is a technology that allows users to access and store data and applications online. Instead of relying on physical hardware like hard drives, servers, or personal computers, cloud computing stores your data in remote data centers that can be accessed from anywhere in the world. This means you can access your data from multiple devices, including your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, as long as you have an internet connection. Cloud computing is becoming more popular as it offers many benefits, such as scalability, cost-effectiveness, and security. By storing your data in remote data centers, you don't have to worry about maintaining physical hardware, and you can easily scale up or down based on your needs. So, that's cloud computing in a nutshell. It's a technology that's changing the way we store and access data, making it easier and more efficient than ever before.